Okay, the first step you want to do is to download all the appropriate software, and this might take a little while for you to complete it, but once you do it, you're done. So first you want to download Form Scanner. You can go to the SourceForge site and then click on the green bar. You can wait for a few seconds or just click right here. I'll go ahead and do that, and then it'll download the file. Now you might get a warning. See, I might get it here. Might get a warning that says, do you really want to accept this file? And you should click yes. I have already downloaded this, so I'm going to cancel it for now. Don't wait on the internet. And then you find that download. Now for me it goes to my desktop, but yours might be different. Yours likely will go to a folder called downloads in your user directory, but for me mine always goes to my desktop, so I'll click on there. Yes, I do want to run it, and then I run it. English or Italian. You accept the new license agreement, and you can just take the default for where it goes, create a desktop icon, yes, and you can unclick reboot. I found you don't really have to reboot. And so that should install Form Scanner. Let's see it, put an icon here. You can delete that if you like. I don't have Java installed right now on this computer, so it doesn't run. So the next step will be to download Java. So I go back to the downloads page. And you can run this either with Java 7 or Java 8. Java 8 is the most recent download, so you can go to the Java site. Got disconnected here, sorry. Go to the Java download site. And you just click on the free Java download, and it will download the file either to your downloads or to your desktop, as I have it here. And I've already downloaded it. Whereabouts is it? Oh, this is it right here. This is version 8, update 25, which is the most recent version. It will ask you at some point if you want to uninstall previous versions. You should probably do that. It's good to have the most recent version. This will operate with either Java 7 or Java 8. If you have an older version, you'll likely need to replace Java. Most of you probably already have Java on your computer and shouldn't have to go through this step. You do not want to add that search app, likely. Okay, while we're waiting, in the next step, I'll need to know what is my type of computer that I'm operating, the operating system. So I'm going to go to Computer. I'm going to right-click on Computer, and I'm going to look at the properties. And this will tell me what kind of operating system I'm using. Am I using a 32-bit or 64-bit operating system? So when you click on Properties, you can look down here under System Type, and this computer is a 64-bit operating system. All the newer computers at Nichols are 64-bit. So tuck that away, and I'll remember that. I'm still installing Java. It will be done soon. And there we go. All right, now, so now we have, don't need to do any of that. Now we have Java and Form Scanner. Next step is to do xn convert. And this is where I need to know, am I running a 32-bit or 64-bit operating system? I'm doing the Windows 64-bit, so I will set up here. I click on that, and it will download the install file, which I've already done. And that install file is here for the Windows 64. And I'll just click Run. English. Next. Accept the agreement. There's no ads or attached software to this. I will click all those things. You don't have to add a desktop icon, but I'm going to include it here just for ease. So now I have xn convert, Form Scanner, and I have Java. However, XNConvert also needs GhostScript in order to operate properly. So I'm going to click on GhostScript, and I also need to know here, am I running a 32-bit or a 64-bit Windows? As we have already found, I'm running a 64-bit. That might be different for you. So I'm going to click on this, and that will download the software, which I've already done. So now I'll go here and click on the little ghost for GhostScript. And install that with all the defaults. Okay, I don't need to see the overview. Okay, so that is all the downloads. Unless you can go ahead and download the process bubbles analysis, and we'll use that later. I'll show you. It's just an Excel spreadsheet. I'll show you how to use that later in a later video.